Hi there, this is Sophie from Newangie. Today I will show you how to use this portable pulse lift machine. And before using this machine, you should remove your makeup and do not have anything objects on your neck, such as necklace. As you can see, it has 7 handles and 5 of 7 handles can work together, and these 7 patches should be connected with the handle, and 1 for forehead, 2 for eyes, and 2 for cheeks, 1 for double chin, and 1 for neck. And each one is individually packed. Okay, next we will put the gel patches on the face. First we put the forehead patches. Please rest assured that the patches tightly with the skin. And then push off this button and do this. Push in. Okay, this is the handle for the forehead. Now all the gel patches are in the right place on the face, forehead, eyes, and face. Let's do these 5 parts together first. Let's move on the interface. Choose the gender and the age, and send the parameters by each part. And the right eye. The left eye. The right cheek. Left cheek. And clip. Here you can see the time changing. Next, we will do the double chin treatment. And first, we need to put this double chin gel patches on the right part. And make it well connected with the handle. Also push in. Next, let's do the neck part. Make the hair clean and put the gel patches on the neck. And also make the patches, make it well connected with the handle. And then set the parameters, left and right. Now the time is changing and the handle is working. During all the treatment, the customer should always hold this emergency handle. If he or she feel uncomfortable and she can put this button, then the machine is stopped working. If you are interested in this portable pulse lift machine, please feel free to contact us.